am officially back. I have said that 500,000 times, and this time I actually genuinely mean it. Hey guys, my name is Olisa. Thank you so much for dropping by. Be sure to subscribe for more great content. Today's video is one from a very apologetic me. I know I promised 2 videos a week and then I just dropped off the face of the planet, but things kind of hit the fan for a while, so I just needed to take some time away, finish up moving so that I can be a bit more refreshed and come back to you with amazing content and not something that's like forced, you know? So that is my excuse and I'm sticking to it. Behind my camera, I have a ring light. Behind me, I have a new set because I finally moved. Everything is different. I cannot wait to walk you through this house. I am in love. I've literally set it up almost like literally 80% to perfection. This is not the house tour, so I'm not going to be showing it to you right now, but I'm really excited to have that video coming very, very soon. But today's video, I thought I'd come back and like sit down and play with makeup as we chat a little bit maybe. So I thought I'd bring you another BoxyCharm box. This is the first video I'm shooting in like my new space, so I'm still kind of trying to figure everything out. So my audio is here, my mirror is here. Hopefully it all works out, fingers crossed, we'll see. But yes, I know I talked about BoxyCharm before and why I cancelled them, but this year it seems like they've kind of really stepped up their game. So I'm back on the BoxyCharm vibe, and I feel like it's such an important resource for me to like bring to you guys, especially because I do use these products behind the scenes and I do have these subscriptions running behind the scenes. So it's so important for me to tell you because I paid 21.85 shillings for this box, and that's literally $21, and the value of the box is always over $100. So you pay basically 2,200 shillings and you get over 10,000 shillings worth of products. So if you're looking to build up your makeup collection, this is absolutely the best way to do it. Are all the products a hit in every month? Absolutely not. Do I occasionally cancel my subscription when I feel like the products are just not interesting to me? Absolutely I do, but I've actually gone back to it because there's a skincare box that I'm so excited about and I cannot wait to show that to you guys. And then I thought I might as well just be doing a monthly unboxing of this from a very far away from America country so that you can actually see what comes in the box and if the value is worth you shipping it in, because these days everyone uses a shipper from the States. So might as well get a subscription, might as well pay a little bit extra to have it shipped to you, because my total cost for this box was under 3,000 shillings and over 10,000 shillings value of makeup and like sometimes skincare and like just amazing things in general. I have literally no complaints about that. So I do recommend a BoxyCharm subscription. I'm not sponsored by them, but if you do want to use my link down below, we both get bonus points if you sign up through me. So might as well, you know. But you can just go to boxycharm.com and like set up your own account and sign up, and they do accept international payments. But with the payment section, with your thingy, instead of choosing Nairobi, choose like Kentucky or Delaware, like your state. Don't like try to force an African country. They don't really check that stuff. They just check like your address is correct, and yeah, you'll figure it out. When you get on the website, you'll figure it out. But yes, I do recommend this shipping to a foreign continent. So this is actually the April box, not the May box. That's another thing you have to keep in mind if you're shipping across continents. Basically, it will take a while to get to you. There's always for some reason a customs issue, or like just there's always like details that get in the way of you actually getting your box in time. So this is the April box. My May box has been delivered to my American address. It has not been shipped out to here yet. My skincare box has been delivered already, but I'm being told that it will take like 4 weeks before it can actually process and like get into my hands, which is very disappointing. But depending on your shipper, you may have such delays or you may not. So yeah, basically everyone in Kenya ships these days. Join the bandwagon and get yourself a BoxyCharm. So let's go through really quickly what's in this box. So it does come with a card. Every month there's a theme. April's theme was Peace, Love, and Boxy. It was like a Coachella thing. And you can see the products that are listed all the way here. Obviously, I've opened up my box. I've actually played with a couple of these products. A few of them I haven't played with because I have been waiting for this video to like unbox it and get like a true first impressions on camera. So I'm going to pick out my Artist Couture highlight. This is literally the reason I signed up for this box, because I wanted a loose highlight for the longest time, and this one is such great quality. This is the brand that Jackie Aina partnered with to like create her loose highlights. So yeah, pretty damn cool. Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This is in the shade Purple Dream. I haven't opened it. This is what I was waiting to test on camera, so I'm really excited about that. And as you can see, I have the rest of my makeup done, but no highlight on, so very excited to see. Oh, also, if I look a bit glowy, I'm still Some say glowy, some say greasy, I say glowy. I'm still trying to figure out my ring light settings because now I have like an honest to God full on ring light. So yeah, we'll see. Oh, also I got that at CDI Gadgets. They have the best stuff ever. Most genuine products. It is an LED ring light. Absolutely love it. So yeah, just shout out to them. Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This all natural, vegan, cruelty free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. The versatile formula is highly pigmented and subtle for all skin tones. Create a subtle, luminous finish or layer on for unreal glow. The value of this is $27. So you only paid $2,200 for this box, and this is already worth $2,700. So you are testing out new makeup. It does tend to be a bit more on the pricey side, so it is things that you wouldn't really want to pay for with your own money if you're risking not liking it. Love the outer packaging, love the inner packaging because it actually does come with a sifter. So you do have the option of locking and unlocking your product. So absolutely obsessed with that. Now I can finally poke a couple of holes in here and like see what it looks like. So to play with this loose highlight, I am going to go in with a brush set that came with this box. And these are 3 brushes and they count as one product. So pretty awesome. The Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. Use a Luxie 512 small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, while the Luxie small shader brush is perfect to pat on your eyeshadow base and your base eyeshadow and glitter. Grab the Luxie large shader brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. The value of this is $28. So already we're at $2,700 plus $2,800. This is minus exchange rate and all of that extra that you would be paying if you are getting these individually. So that's pretty awesome. These are 3 very, very beautiful, very soft brushes. I really like them. This is supposed to be a contouring brush, but it's actually sort of a triangular shape, and I feel like that's perfect for highlight. So that's what I'm going to use it for with this diamond glow highlight, to just really disperse the product. Oh, it's actually purple. Oh, that's so pretty. That is so gorgeous. It is like a festival-y, like I said, Coachella themed box, so it does make sense that they'd give us like a really radiant purple shade. Also, you can customize your box based on your skin tone. Sometimes they get it wrong. They are still kind of working out the kinks on that. So they actually did intend to send the purple one to like a dark skin girl, and I absolutely live for that. I mean, this is stunning. I hope you can actually see it in my monitor. It actually does look crazy brilliant, and I love this. And this is actually perfect for like hugging the tops of your cheeks. So love this brush. Next is eyelashes. This is the Lashaholic eyelash. Lashaholic lashes, Instagram false lashes. Elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. This is 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers, gives your lashes dimension, natural looking length and volume. The value of this is $14.99, which is about 1,500 shillings. They are very beautiful. I love the packaging that they come in. They actually do look pretty damn luxe. Not as dramatic as I'd like them, but I will be trying them on after I play with the eyeshadow palette in this box. Next is the Power Up Mascara by Butter London. Experience length, definition, and curl retention with Butter London's Power Up Mascara, featuring all-day wear. With the first swipe, a unique oil-free blend of nourishing waxes instantly produces noticeably longer and defined lashes. Blah 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 blah. $20 is the value of this. I don't necessarily think that value adds up, just because this is a plastic one. These are very terrifying to use, just because when they do touch your skin, they're very pokey. So it's kind of horrifying to imagine what would happen if it touched the inside of your eye. But I actually do like the result that I get with this, so I will be using it on camera, at least mostly on my lower lashes, and we'll see how it performs. Last but not least, the second reason I got this box is the Pure eyeshadow palette. This is a festival eyeshadow palette, Pure the Complexion Authority Festival palette. Unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. From boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. The value of this is $36. So you can see, like, we'll just tally up and add the value of the box on camera so you can see it. But the value of the box has so far exceeded anything that you may pay for the box, as well as shipping. So it definitely is worth it if you're looking to build your collection. I'm just looking for fun new products to play with, like the loose highlight and a couple of new brushes. So, I mean, why not? You know, let someone else curate what I need and then just send it to me. Amazing. I literally only wanted this box for the loose highlight and for these 2 glitters, because these glitters are absolutely absolutely amazing, and they don't need like glitter glue for them to stick on. So I'm just gonna create a quick look using all of these products so we can have like a try on haul situation, and then we'll move on from there. That's it for the box. The eyeshadows performed beautifully. The mattes were absolute perfection. I did use a shimmery purple in my outer corner just to smoke it out and tie in the pink and the purple and the whatever. Like I really like the way this turned out. I did use a dark brown shadow on top of that just to smoke it out a bit more. The glitters, one good thing about getting your box late is that you see all the mistakes that other people have made and you learn from their lessons. So I've watched videos and they said that the best way to work with these glitters is to pat them on and not swipe them because they kind of lose coverage that way. So I did use a Luxie brush that we got in this box and just patted them on, and you can see how beautifully they're holding on. I have no lash glue on my eyelid, I have no glitter glue on my eyelid, and everything is still holding on perfectly. Absolutely obsessed with that. I've actually really enjoyed using this mascara on both my top and lower lashes. I feel like it does separate them really well. So using it underneath false lashes means that you'll never have a lash that like turns in and like pokes you in the eye. So that's really good. I'm still very terrified of the plastic, but even using it on my lower lashes, I just went in really carefully to make sure I didn't poke myself in the eye, and it has separated them pretty well. So pretty happy about that. The lashes, oh my gosh, I thought these would be like the thinnest, most wispy things, but they're actually giving me substantial like volume on my eyes. So I'm pretty happy with the way this has turned out. Very easy to work with, very easy to lay down, no mistakes, no thick band, no unnecessary anything, just really easy to use. So love that. What I am going to do is go back into the Artist Couture loose highlight because it is purple and I'm going for a very pinky purpley look right now. I'm just going to dip a tiny little brush into the loose highlight and use it on my inner corner in this little space that I've left. I feel like it's kind of disappearing next to the glitter, but it does tie in the purple together so beautifully, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I kind of like it. So those are all the products that were in my box, but I have to give a shout out to the Joanna K Cosmetics lipstick in Free Spirit. I literally had to run to my handbag to get this because this is the only piece of makeup I've been wearing for the past month straight up. I absolutely love this. It's a perfect nude, so that's what I'm going to close off this look with because there was no lip product in this month's box. So they do alternate between eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks, brushes, all these things, a bit of skincare some months. So yeah, it is worth looking into if you're looking to like expand your collection. So yeah, but the Joanna K Free Spirit, love this. So yes, that was basically the point of this video, is to bring you a few of the things that I've been loving off camera, just so we can share them together. I can give you tips on how to expand your makeup collection at the least possible cost. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you'll actually sign up to BoxyCharm. Remember to use my link down below if you do want to get a couple of bonus points. They used to give out bonus products, but now they give out points that can be used to buy products from their store thing. So yeah, just check out the link below for more information. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying subscribed. I really appreciate every single one of you. I'm gonna catch up to comments now. I'm gonna be back on Instagram. Took a break from that as well. So yeah, I think I am officially back now that I can sit here and shoot this video. Cannot wait to give you the house tour. So yeah, just thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more BoxyCharm subscriptions. If you want to see more unboxings of like different subscriptions, let me know in the comments. And yeah, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.